Got a Jason high-rise model. Fits the 04 to 08 Ford F150. Silver color. This one's in pretty good shape. Doesn't have a lot of damage on the paint. It's really clean. Not seeing any paint damage. Top looks really good. No paint damage on the top. A lot of these high-rise ones, you get paint damage on the top because they forget how tall they are. And they run into the garage doors. Paint's really good shape all the way through here. It's got the double bay windows. It does have some paint issues on the windows, but nothing real major. Some black touch-up paint would fix that. It's got the double bay windows in the back. It's got a half-side slider in the front. Bottom edge on here on the paint on the bottom edge, really good. No damage on the bottom edge as well. Front edge is good. No damage on the front edge. Same on this side. Looks really good on the whole front side of this top. Looks good. The slide has a sliding window in the front. Slides open, so you can access inside the truck cab. Front edge, front leading edge of this top is all really good. No damage on this that I can see. The side looks really good. This whole top's in really good shape. It just really does not have any damage on it at all. This edge looks good down through here. Whole bottom edge. There's no gouges, no damage on the bottom edge. Same thing on this side. It has a half side sliding windows and the double bay windows in the back. Has a double T handle on the back door. Inside is bare fiberglass. Doesn't appear that this has any leaking. Doesn't appear that it leaks anywhere. Not seeing any signs of leaks. Screens look really good. It's got a sliding window in the front here. Screens on this side are in good shape as well. No damage on the screens. No holes. Serial tag, it's really hard to see now, but 04 to 07 Ford. That appears to be F150. It does not fit the F250. We just tried it out there, but the year break on that should be actually 04 to 08 Ford F150. 6.5 foot bed. So there it is. Jason high-rise model for the Ford F150 04 to 08 with a 6.5 foot bed, silver color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can get more information, price, location, where it's at, information like that, how to get a hold of us to get it picked up. Also, there's a link to our website in general if you're looking for cap repair parts, foam sealant, tape, shocks for the back doors, locks, bed storage units, any type of things like that. It's all on our website and available. You can purchase it online. Thanks for watching.